This is Blooming Globe Creativity Kit from Altenew. This is a specially constructed collection of products created to inspire your creativity. Create beautiful, on-trend paper crafting projects with this comprehensive kit. The kit includes all you will need to create a variety of stunning projects. In the kit you will receive Vintage Roses stamp set, Big World Stamp and Die bundle, Floral 6 mini ink cube set, embossing ink, Caribbean Sky embossing powder, gold and silver washi tapes, and a full sheet of Our Family enamel dots. There is also an inspiration guide included to inspire you and kickstart your creativity. For more information about Blooming Globe Creativity Kit and other available products, please visit us at altenew.com.